Right, welcome everybody to another Revit tutorial. Today, what we're going to do is I'm going to show you how to take a PDF floor plan that someone has given you and make sure that it's to scale. So open a new Revit project, Revit one, architectural template, and you say okay. You can link PDF, and once you link PDF, you go to wherever your PDF is. Okay, perfect. First things first, if this is to scale, if I draw a line here to here, it should be 3 meters. So let's try that. Select what you want to scale. You press the scale button, you select your line, and then you bring it down to 3 meters, what you want it to be. And voila. It's not complicated at all. There you go, 3 meters. It's a very simple tutorial. See you next week. Like, share, tell a friend to tell a friend.